We are one premier global manufacturer of high-performance metal roll forming machines with 25+ experience in Hangzhou, China. Our made forming machines are used for racking and shelving system, electric and energy system, and steel structure system. To ensure the highest standards of quality control, we continuously invest in advanced manufacturing processes, CNC machining center precision, advanced bearing systems, heavy-duty capabilities, all effort to ensure our customers get high-quality machines. STARFORM's sales team has proven track record. Director Mei Fu has built a global network collaborating with over 1,000 clients worldwide. Our advantages of understanding client need and delivering correct forming solutions, we foster long-term partnerships, with many clients collaborating for 15 to 20+ years. There are our machines in over 70 countries, from the United States and Mexico to Hungary, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, Nigeria, Australia, India, and Russia, etc. When you choose STARFORM, you are choosing an independent industry leader dedicated strictly to your success. STARFORM ensures your factory achieves maximum uptime, perfect product profiles, and a rapid return on investment.